Okay, welcome everyone. This is the 7th October here. Let's take a look on the daily on gold and see what's going on now. Daily on gold after FMC, NFP, we are just consolidating. You can see right over here, we have a big consolidation right over here. We have a resistance formed at the same time. We have a support formed. So basically, the daily candles are consolidating in this 400 pip range. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Now looking at the 4 hour, we have to adjust these zones. First of all, we will adjust the top zone. You can see how the resistance is right here, around 2678. And now we have to adjust this bottom zone. We bring it right over here, right? So now we have these big zones. And now obviously we see smaller zones within these big zones. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Let's adjust the zone on the 1 hour now. We have this resistance on the top. And let's adjust this one. We have support at the bottom. And let's see what the hell's going on over here on the 4 hour. Now, what's happening over here, the 4 hour candle is going to close in about 11 minutes. So we have a support area around 2645. And we also have a resistance area right up over here where we basically came up and then we start to reject. Now, this is a 86 pip range. From here down till here, it's like 69 till this wick, it's 130 pips. So awesome. Let's take a look at this on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we can further see that the support still holds right here. I want to take a look at these wicks on the 15-minute time frame. Looking at the 15 minutes, seems like this is a support right here. So I guess I'm going to be waiting for price to break below 2642. Yeah, break below 2642 to be able to continue pushing down in this 40 to 100 pip range, right? In this 40 to 100 pip range. Now, that's for sells. Let's take a look at for buying opportunities over here. Now, see how on the 30 minute, how we place the zone right below these wicks? The reason why is because on the 15 minute, there's some sort of a market structure. Because you see with the amount of volume, price went down and then rejected to go up. So I think this is a rejection area. So that's why we'll base this off of the 15-minute time frame. Plus also we got pretty big range over here as well. Now, as far as buys are concerned, I'm not really looking for buys over here because there are a lot of rejections at this point. Rejection over here, rejection here. It's like a mess. So I want to see price fill this area till 2658, but I don't think this resistance is going to be proper. Let me take a look at this on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, that is a resistance over there. It's a very tough call, and the tough call is what should we do? Should we base the resistance off of the 30-minute right over here around 2652 or up over here? I'll keep it at 2652, and once price does come over to this price level, then we will see what to do at this point. But for now we are 53 pips away, so we're just going to chill. But anyway, so we're going to see you guys later on for the London Open anyway. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. This is pound USD. Let's bring pound yen over here. We have pound yen. Okay, let's take a look on the daily here. So daily, daily, daily. Since the Asian session started, daily candle on pound yen has just moved bullish. Seems like we can move bearish over here. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, obviously we have this resistance formed. There's some sort of a support area over here. And looks like there's another support down at this point. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Oh, this is where the I guess the market opened at that point, which is why you see this gap and then the gap, yeah, it got filled or whatever. Let's take a look on the 30 minutes. See, the problem over here is that since that gap happened, that gap did not go below the support 194,320. So maybe that support 194,320 is something of importance. So probably a blue line is going to go right over here because if we do break below 194, 230 or 320, whatever, 300, let's say, we have all this range for price to fill. This was from the NFP. That was from the NFP range. So, probably this is going to be a good idea if we do break below this area. And obviously, if we break above, like, 195, 490, we can continue to push up. But what I want to see is how big is this range? This is, oh, 44 pips. Not bad. Not bad, to be honest. That's a pretty good range here for price to push. Let's take a look at this wick on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so that's the resistance right there, and then we can push this up over here. Awesome. So now, if we do break and close above 195, 120, above 195, 120, I think there's a very, very, very good possibility for price to move up in this 44 pip range. Very good range over here for price to move up, to be honest. So other than that, I mean, we got the support over here. Below the support, it's like a 35, 36 pip range. I'm not going to be too excited about this, like below 194, 700, 36, 35 pip range. I could be more excited about price breaking below 194, 300 for price to move down. You see? So there are different levels. You're like, okay, which sell is better? Is the sell better below 194, 700 or is the sell better below 194, 300? That's the choice you have to make. But anyway, we'll see you guys for the London Open. Till then, take care and be safe.